Good afternoon, everyone. It's me again, Abu speaking. Only preaching peace and love. I just have one question. The question is, how sick in your head do you have to be to make plans on making a profit in someone's funeral, or for making a profit in someone's accidental death, perhaps? Because I've heard a conversation, and it's usually I don't want to say what type of people, but let me rather just say the ones with more wisdom. Let me rather say the ones with more wisdom having conversations like that. But in terms of the conversations direct, like in direct in seeing that no, doesn't make sense. For me, it doesn't make sense. Literally, it doesn't make sense. How can you plan on making a profit in cases like this? We can plan to cover the cost, but being happy in terms of trying to get a profit doesn't seem nice. But maybe it's just people, or maybe it's just more insensitive these days. That's why they talk of it in terms of where you might misinterpret it in the sense where they actually have something to do with these plans that they are planning. And for your information, I'm only preaching peace and love. This is just a general question I'm putting out there for not for interpretation, but it's just boggling my mind, and it will maybe still boggle my mind, and how you can have a conversation like that.